Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Japanese and English. What about you?
I can speak French and a little bit of Spanish.
What is your favorite season?
I like summer. What about you?
I prefer spring.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing tennis. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook Italian food.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy playing guitar and cycling.
Do you like to play video games?
Yes, I do.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a scientist. And you?
I want to be a pilot.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like reading newspapers?
Sometimes I read the news online.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have visited Italy and Spain. Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I have been to the United States and Canada.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to relax at home or visit friends.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a morning person.
What is your favorite holiday?
I love New Year's Day.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to run in the park.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I like watching comedies.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.